Hey friends, stop sleeping on CapCut, right? There's this amazing and mind-blowing feature in CapCut that most of you are sleeping on, and in this video I'm going to show you so that you start using it to your advantage, right? So let's go into the video quickly. Right, so I'm just going to tap on new project and let me select one random video over here. Okay, so once I have my video over here, I want to quickly show you something, right? Something that you can use to your advantage. And in this particular video, I posted it the last time on one of my YouTube channel, right? Let me play it for you from here so you see something, right? 120 days profitability challenge, right? So today being, let me take it again. I'm talking about my 120 days profitability challenge. All right, so this is what I want you to see. You see that car right behind me? Listen guys, I didn't download it from anywhere. It was right here in CapCut that I got this moving car in motion. It was right here in CapCut that I got it and I use it in my video, and it was awesome, right? So let me show you how you can get all this stuff in CapCut without having to go anywhere, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on overlay. That means I want to add something new, or I can even tap on a plus sign over here. That means I want to add something new, right? But in this case, I'm just going to go back and I'm going to tap on overlay, right? Meaning I want to add something to the timeline. So I'll tap on add overlay. From here, I'll just go to library. That is what I want you to start using it. All right, I want you to start using library because there are tons of stuff over here, effects that you can actually use, right, to enhance your video. Okay, so we have the 3D ones currently over here. We have tons of them, guys. Stop sleeping on this. You have to start using this asset. All right, you can see the one that I actually used in my video is the one over here, right? This card, that was what I used in my video. So I would like you to actually start exploring this place and be utilizing the good assets over here to your advantage. They are very, very awesome when you use them the right way on your videos. Okay, let's assume you want something like subscribe button. You can just download this one and add it to your video. It's pretty cool, right? You can see like, subscribe. All right, you see that subscribe button, just go ahead, hit the subscribe button on my YouTube channel as well. Okay, as you've seen this, hit that subscribe button on my YouTube channel. So if I want to add it to my video, I'll just tap on add, and voila, it will appear over here, right? It will appear over here. Profitability challenge. So it means, so that's just one of it. Let's assume I want to add more, right? I want to add more. I'll just go to the library. Once I'm in the library column, I'll just select exactly what I want. Okay, if I want counting numbers like this, all right, the countdown, I'll add it. But then I'm not going to add it. I'm just going to go back. Let's go to Christmas and New Year. All right, of course there are some effects over here for the New Year celebration. New Year is almost like, this is April, so New Year is over already, and yeah, you can still celebrate New Year if you want to, right? You can go to green screen. You see a lot of stuff over here that you can just import into your video and remove the background of it. Let's assume I want to use something like this music background effects on my video. I'll just have to bring it over here, then I'll tap on add. Once I add it, I'll just come, once it is being added over here like this, what I'll do is go to remove background and make sure I remove the green part. So I'm going to use chroma key. All right, chroma key over here, and I'll use it to select the green, come to intensity, and voila, this is what I'll have over here, and I'll have it on my video like this. Let me play so that you see what is going on over here. To be the final day of this challenge, but like I said, this challenge, all right, this is just an ad from CapCut showing me to use the desktop version. All right, I also have the desktop version actually, but yeah, that is something I want to show you. Okay, there are tons of stuff over there. Let me just go there and show you the things. Let me delete this one actually over here, and let me just leave it over there. All right, let's go to the add overlay again. We go to library. I just want to show you stuff over here. Okay, so this the green screen that we have over here. There are lots of stuff over here, guys. In case you've not been exploring this part of the CapCut, I urge you to start exploring it now, because it will amaze you the great things that you can do with this, right? At this point, if you're getting value from this video, kindly go ahead and hit that like button on the video, and also subscribe for more content on this Serene channel, right? Okay, let's go to background and see what we can have over here. Good, there are tons of backgrounds over here that they can use to your advantage. Let's go to intro and outro, right? So yeah, there are some nice things over here that you can use. Transitions, we have good assets over here, scenery, and a whole lot, atmosphere, live, and what have you. So guys, I just want you to start exploring these assets right now and start using them to your advantage. Okay, all right, so this is gonna be it for this video, and I'm hoping to see you in the next one. This is Ghostway here from SERENE, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on the video, and also like and share with others. If you want anything, just leave a comment below, right? If you want something to do with CapCut, I mean video editing, if you have any requests at all, feel free to leave it in the comment section and I'll gladly check it out. Right, see you in the next video. Bless up.